Okay, I'm going to start off. This is a recording. I'm going to be reworking a Toyota starter. This is for a V6, my Toyota Tacoma, 1999, but it's not about this. This is about an opening of a package I got. It's the Advanced Truck Parts USA. It's a rebuild kit for the Denso starter repair, and I guess that's the size. I'm not certain if that's the one I bought, but I'll show you what I did buy, and that's what we're going to open up. That's right here. It says Advanced Truck Parts USA, www.advancedtruckparts.com. This is a part number of the kit. It's a 777606 Denso starter solenoid repair rebuild kit. This is what it looks like on the other side, and I'm going to open it up right here. I'm going to adjust the camera a little. Sorry for dragging my foot. I want to make sure. Okay, we're still recording. I want to make sure you get to see what's in this. All right. This is what it shows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 parts. All right, turning this over so it's all clear. Let me cut this open. Let me cut it open this way. All right. And pour out the parts. There's the kit. It's a thick rubber gasket. This is the plunger assembly. This gets pulled down into the starter, and I'll show you that. And this makes contact with these guys, and this is what wears out. What happens is it makes contact. Each time it does that, it arcs and eventually burns away the copper. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, there may be extra here the more I think about it. Pieces. Then in here I have a different gasket set. Let me open this up here. All right, in this gasket set, there are 2 very small O-rings. One that doesn't want to come out, evidently. Come on, come on. Oh well. Come on, guy. Girl, whatever you are, okay. There's 2 tiny O-rings, a large grommet. They are the same size, and 2 units that look like this. I guess I can show you. Here's a grommet and the tiny little O-ring. And those are the 5. In this bag, there are 4 nuts, 2 different types, 4 nuts, and 2 copper bolts that are of different lengths. Let me open this. I do not recall how much I paid for these, but there's 2 locking type of nuts. 2 nuts that probably clamp onto cables. We'll see that a little later. And then 2 bolts. One, this is a short one, this is a long one. But they're 2 different sizes. And it's remarkable. They're just literally copper. So they're designed to wear in time and not the motor. Anyway, I'll talk more about the motor in another video. Thank you for watching.